Citizen's EcoDrive technology dates back to 1976, where they were the first to build a light-powered analog quartz watch. Over the decades, this technology has evolved to produce watches like this one. The whole idea of this technology is to remove the need for battery replacements or the use of a watch winder. The battery in this watch is powered by light and can last for a whole 6 months on a full charge. The BU2082-56E sees this technology presented with glamour and functionality. In terms of glamour, set in the bezel are 32 diamonds. And for functionality, on the face are day and date displays, a 12 24-hour time display, and a battery reserve indicator. The case size on this one is 44mm, so it is on the larger side of things, probably a bit big for my wrist here. The build quality feels great, and I think it's quite the versatile timepiece. You can wear this to work and then out for drinks after. You can shop for this piece and much more in store or online at shields.com.au.